Ito ang programang tumutulong sa pagpapakilala ng mga namumuhunang Pinoy, dala ang kwento ng pag-asa, pagbangon at pag-asenso para sa milyong mga Pilipino. Ito pa rin ang Pro Pinoy. Higit sa programa, ito ay isang advokasya. At kasama na natin live sa ating studio ang Business Development Lead ng Econest and Ako Packaging, Ms. Cristina Baron. Good morning po at welcome po sa Pro Pinoy.
Good morning. Thanks for having me here.
Thank you po. Kapag punta, Ms. Tina.
Amazed ako sa mga produkto nyo kasi it's an advocacy product.
Yes.
So, Tina, tell us about the company.
Okay. So, actually, si Econest is mga 5 years old na. Nagdi-distribute talaga siya ng mga biodegradable and home compostable food packaging. So, as you can see here, meron kaming mga bento boxes, mga cup sauce holders, diba? The sauce holders sa mga restaurants,
lagi
usually
sa
plastic
fast
pa
food.
rin siya, diba? Tapos meron kaming mga utensils, meron rin kaming mga cups, tapos yung mga straws namin, sir, is made out of sugar cane. So, mas better actually siya compared sa mga plastic straws, ay yung paper straws. Kasi yung paper straws, after a while,
Nalulusaw.
nalulusaw. So, that one naman is made out of coffee beans. So, it's another alternative talaga to paper straws and definitely better than plastic straws. But, one of the popular products that Econest distributes is itong mga cassava bags na manufacture ni Ako Packaging. So, same owners lang yan. Kumbaga, si Econest is a distribution company, tapos si Ako Packaging is yung manufacturer.
Okay.
Pero both based in Bulacan.
I think na-guess na natin itong gumagawa ng ano.
Actually,
Oikos.
that's a friendly competition. Friendly competitors.
Si Oikos. So, iba po yan
Tingnan
po.
ko nga yung ano, yung sauce
Yes.
holder.
Yes.
Hindi ba absorbent ito?
Actually, that's what a lot of people ask, no? Parang pwede ba siya mabasa? Oo, so pwede siyang mabasa, definitely. But of course, kung sobrang init, it eventually dissolves. But that's the characteristic that makes it home compostable. Meaning to say, kung ikaw yung end user niyan at meron kang composting bin or parang home compost sa garden nyo or what, it can easily be eaten by the soil if the soil is buhay na buhay in your compost, diba?
So, hindi na diretso na lang sa basurahan. Pwedeng i-ano.
Pero kaya naman to sa mga warm gravies or sa mga patis and all that. Kayang-kaya.
Sausawan.
Yes.
May ano din po yan, may takip.
Yes, it comes with lids. Lahat ng cups namin, tsaka yung itong sauce container, it all comes with lids also. Yes. That's not plastic. Kasi 'di ba, uso ngayon na pupunta ka sa cafe, tapos after that, plastic pa rin yung
takip.
cover, 'di ba?
Oo.
Paper nga yung cup, pero but our cups are made out of sugar cane, by the way.
Okay. Who makes the paper?
Okay. So actually, itong mga food containers, we are just a distributor. So we
Okay.
still, unfortunately, not everything is manufactured yet in the Philippines. Some of the items we still import. But when it comes to the cassava bags, like this one, our new series na nakaprint, hindi ako plastic, kami yan, nagmamanufacture sa Bulacan.
Okay. Nag-extrude actually because you're still buying the pellets from China.
No.
Kaya na rin?
No, actually, the cassava resin is imported still from
I
Indonesia,
know,
sir. Yes,
so,
not China. However, what we want to really highlight to people is that, when they buy our cassava bags, the more people buy the cassava bags, the more we will be able to develop our own cassava resin here in the Philippines. But it's always, diba, parang a chicken or an egg situation talaga,
It's
right?
actually the starch.
Yes.
So you buy the corn starch or cassava starch.
flour, yes.
Not flour, starch.
Cassava starch, yes,
Okay.
you're correct.
And then, 3 components lang yan eh. 3 components yan, and then lulutuin mo. It passes through an extruder,
Yes.
Paglabas, pellets na.
Yes.
Yung pellets na yan, yun yung in-extrude mo.
Yes,
That's
that's
like
what...
the plastic pellets na in-extrude.
Yes.
Yung extruding machine, kailangan may heat yan eh.
Yes.
Para ma-extrude yan.
So basically, so Congressman knows how it works very well. Essentially, the resin is melted and then blown up into what these bags are, right? So what we hope to happen talaga...
Alam mo, isa-suggest ko, no? Pagkasaba kasi elastic eh.
You wanna try holding it?
Nakita ko na.
Stretch.
Pag cornstarch, medyo matigas. The best is to combine the cornstarch at saka cassava starch. You will have a very good product.
We are actually in the process of doing a lot of R&D, combining the cassava with different other products such as seaweed. Seaweed, because the Philippines also has a lot of seaweed, diba? There are other companies na nagmi-mix na sila ng cassava and cornstarch.
Para mas matibay. Kasi pag kasaba lang, nag-stretch eh.
Kaya lang
Paglalagyan mo na ng
sir,
bigat.
we have to be very careful lang about the raw materials that are mixed with the cornstarch, no? Kasi what we try to aim to do talaga is we want our bags to be completely home compostable.
Both of them are talagang compostable.
But also, the question is kasi, would it be completely non-toxic for our soil? Because what we want to achieve is really a circular economy wherein all our products are non-toxic for the soil when you compost it so that it doesn't affect our Filipino farmers, right?
Soil-friendly.
All the raw materials are food grade. Whether it's corn, whether it's...
Yes, sir, we understand.
So,
We're just-
it cannot be toxic. What I'm just saying here is para naman hindi ma-stretch masyado, mas
Mabigat.
matibay. At saka sa extrusion, medyo kapala ng konti. Kaya lang, medyo mas mahal yan kaysa plastic. Why? Dahil hindi pa nila ginagawa rito yung pellets. But
That's why,
if
sir,
they know how to make the pellets, which I know, then that will become cheaper.
Maybe you can help us find the funding because we want to be able to do that. But as you know, because it seems like you know very many things, we really need the funding to be able to invest in
the
those
bank,
machines,
with a
right?
good project study, let's go to Development Bank of the Philippines because that is what the Development Bank really, that's the mandate of the Development Bank.
Of course, we're trying to look at different options so that we can really produce the process A to Z here in the Philippines, right? But like I mentioned earlier, it's really a chicken or the egg situation wherein, of course, we're still at the industry is still growing, diba? Parang we would still need the demand of these cassava bags to grow, right? Kasi a lot of although a lot of people are already learning about sustainability, parang nahihirapan pa rin yung iba to accept change, diba?
Well, first, the price is more expensive than the plastic. So, but if you're going to integrate it, and then medyo papantay ka na sa plastic, then people will buy that.
Tsaka proper education para ma-educate sila na mas maganda kapag gumagamit ng ganun.
Like for example, yung mga supermarkets, siyempre they
dapat.
want to save.
Yes.
They want to save, no? If you compare that to the plastic, medyo may kataasan lang. Maybe 15 to 20% ang diferensya sa presyo.
Price has really been a challenge for sure.
But
you know,
if you're
we're
going to
working.
integrate that, you'll be able to compete. Especially if we buy the cassava from our farmers, mabibigyan pa natin yung mga farmers
Kabuhayan.
ng kabuhayan. In Thailand, mga farmers doon talaga nagtatanim ng cassava. Because ito yung raw materials naman nila for the manufacture of alcohol. So, hindi lang natin na-educate yung ating mga farmers. Probably, may pagkukulang yung Department of Agriculture.
Drinking alcohol, sir, right?
Yeah.
Like vodka, with potato vodka. So,
Exactly.
cassava.
Kasi ang ini-extract mo from potato, from sweet potato, from cassava is the starch. Even from corn, you extract the starch. And then the starch, kino-convert mo yan into a syrup. Pag matamis na yan, yun na ang fini-ferment mo. If i-ferment mo na sa fermentation tank, and then yung sugar ngayon will be converted into alcohol.
Into alcohol.
So yun yung
Kailangan
kalaban natin, yung starch for alcohol. But pwede rin namang starch for the plastic.
Or bio bag.
Bio.
Siyempre, it's better that we avoid saying plastic,
Bio
sir,
bag,
so that we can differentiate it.
And,
Right?
biodegradable.
Kaya nga nakaprint,
pwede natin
hindi
sabihin,
ako plastic, di ba?
pwede natin sabihin biodegradable plastic. It looks like a plastic. But anyway,
Ano
kailangan
po?
mag-integrate lang talaga because as far as I'm concerned, nakausap ko na yung mga supermarkets like Pure Gold. Sabi pa tayo niyong gumamit niyan. Mahal eh.
Price is
Price
always
talaga.
definitely going to be a challenge for all
but-
industries that we
Pwede tayong magiging competitive.
Yes, of course. Yes, of course. So that's basically what we have, and we're really hoping also to try to tap ngayon yung USA market. So currently, we're actively looking for distributors all around the Philippines who also want to start their own business and who are very passionate about saving the environment. So, they can get in touch with me if they're interested to distribute in wherever they are, like whether it be in northern Luzon or somewhere in Davao, wherever in Mindanao, different places in the Visayas and also in southern Luzon. No? But definitely, we're also actively looking for yung mga gustong mag-distribute in the USA. So we want to start bringing our cassava bags actually to the USA.
To the USA. Gustong i-export.
Especially now na talagang madaming states yung nag-e-effort na to eliminate plastic.
Yes,
It's become
plastics.
lost, no? Oh, so yeah.
Ito, this is from craft paper. Marami namang gumagawa rito ng craft paper, kaya lang mga recycled yung gamit na nila. Siguro, kung nung araw, yung virgin talaga na craft paper from Peacock, kaya lang nagsara na yung Peacock. Galing talaga yun sa kahoy. I would like to suggest na i-coat nyo ito yung corn. Wag yan, kasaba, yung
Kasi
corn. Or kaya, para mas talagang hindi mag-absorb, wax ang pwede mong gamitin, yung food grade na wax. So pag na-coat mo na yan ng wax, at food grade na wax, hindi na yan mag-absorb.
Mas matibay.
Including all the others. May mga waxes naman yan na food grade. Wag lang beeswax kasi sobrang mahal. Di ba?
Meron din po kayong mga packaging, no? That comes po with different sizes.
Cartoon?
Oo, this is actually yung gift set namin for like companies who want to understand or
Sa
who want to
kasaba.
sell. Yes.
Wow.
Actually, this is our gift set for you, sir. So you can distribute it among all your staff here.
Thank
and
you,
can bring
thank
it
you.
home as well.
Thank you. May kabigatan nga lang, Mabigat talaga ito.
Oo. The cassava bags talaga are more
Mabigat.
heavier than plastic siya.
Yung sa cassava bags po natin, marami ding sizes.
Oo. So actually, currently our factory is able to produce 6 designs. Yung popular na t-shirt bags, 'di ba? Tapos yung grip hole bags. Itong nasa, can we remove
Yes
this?
po.
Oo. So ito, actually grip hole bag ito. Ayan, you can pull one. Yan. Grip hole bag. So meron rin kaming mga multi-use pouches. Tapos, meron rin kaming mas malalaking sizes na pwedeng gamitin as trash liner or laundry bag, no? And then, we also produce yung mailers. So, mailers is yung mga packaging that the courier services use to deliver. So, we're currently trying to work with a lot of courier providers to see if they can offer their clients cassava mailers, no, instead of plastic mailers. Kasi e-shopping now is such a
Alam mo,
thing.
may isang maganda rin gamit dyan, yung packaging ng mga t-shirts.
Yes.
Actually, our multi-use pouches, we have several sizes of the multi-use pouch. Wala lang silang pang-grip, no? It can be used talaga as garment wrap, and some companies.
How do you seal that? Heat din?
Yes, you can use
Heat
heat.
sealing.
So we have a big retail client na yung malalaking multi-use pouch yung in-order.
Kasi itong sa bottom nga, naka-heat seal eh.
Yes, yes.
Ayan. Heat sealed.
Yung print po na yan, safe din.
Yes, oo. So the ink is actually from biopigments, usually from plants. So it's also biodegradable and
Safe na safe.
safe.
Eco-friendly.
Yes.
Ilang kilo po yung kaya niyang...
So yung mga maliliit na sizes, 2 to 5 kilos. And then the bigger the bags are, up to 8 kilos, 5 to 8 kilos. But we just have to, of course, mention that if the products are very wet, it becomes heavier. Diba? So, oo, medyo sensitive pa rin siya to moisture.
Kasi pag nabasa ito, magme-melt ito.
Nalulusaw.
Well, only at a certain water temperature, of course. Oo.
Pag sobrang init.
Oo, pag sobrang init, yes, it can dissolve, diba? In 60 seconds, right?
Ayan.
I hope we can educate our people, and then I hope that your research and development will be able to come up with a cheaper product.
Biobags.
Para na sa ganun ay lahat ng ating mga i-require na natin yung lahat ng mga supermarkets
Fast
na ito na yung gagamitin. Either corn or cassava.
And aside from supermarkets, also yung mga popular fast food restaurants natin that have a lot of takeout and mga Grab deliveries, diba? Mga ganon.
So presently, sino yung mga customers nyo?
So we have a lot of customers who are in the fashion retail industry, and then we also have those small and medium businesses who are into art or who are into mga food for dogs and all that. So we're still trying to tap a lot of the bigger industries like the supermarkets nga and the courier providers, but we're currently in talks with them na rin. So, but of course, for EcoNest, we have tapped a lot of hotels and resorts. In Boracay, we have clients who use our cassava bags and our EcoNest products already, and a lot of restaurants and cafes for sure. So definitely the Horeca Industries, talagang mga clients na namin yon. But of course, we really want to tap pharmacies, supermarkets, the everyday stores na pinupuntahan ng tao. Yeah.
Sa 5 years po na existing, kamusta po yung pag-unlad natin sa business?
I think talagang, especially in the pandemic, we were able to really get the attention of a lot of e-commerce shoppers and e-commerce sellers and a lot of companies kasi packaging and food packaging was really needed during the pandemic. But I think just like a lot of other industries, when the world started to open up, parang things started to taper out a little, right? So we have to admit that, it's been a challenge to really convince people to accept certain changes that will help sustainability or Mother Earth. But I mean, it's doing okay, but definitely talagang it could do better. Yeah. Kasi we're so sanay to plastic and its convenience in our lives, right?
The ENR environment, this should be environment conscious. So I think this should really educate our people to buy biodegradable products so as not to pollute the earth. Diba? And it should not be nationwide but worldwide.
Worldwide.
That's true.
Kasi sino bang magpoprotekta sa ating mundo kung hindi tayo?
Tao.
At yung tao should invest a little bit kahit medyo mas mahal, pero alam niya na yung future generations will be protected.
Makikinabang.
It's not just because of money na mas mahal, wag tayong bumili. Isipin mo na lang yung environmental value na maidudulot mo in the years to come. Diba? And I think it's the responsibility of DENR to educate our people, responsibility of our government to educate the people that biodegradable products, not necessarily endorse a particular brand, But the industry in itself should be endorsed.
Yes.
Diba?
Yeah, the industry for sure. We welcome all these different players and competitors in the industry kasi it gives a lot of people more options on how to be sustainable. Kasi syempre, this isn't the only way to go naman rin, di ba?
Like yung food tray, magkano ba yan?
Depende sa size, but this would vary, like between like 5 pesos to 10 pesos. It
It's
depends.
not really that expensive.
hindi.
Kung didiferensya man ng 20%, that's only magkano? 1 peso? Contribution mo na lang yan sa protection ng earth.
Like our cassava bags, it ranges from 6 to 12 pesos depending on the size also. And then of course, we are able to produce this in 12 different colors. So we would like to also sana invite companies who want to print their brands and logos into our bags, whether or not they want to use t-shirt bags, grip hole bags, or whatever for their companies. We can produce it in 12 different colors.
Okay, we have Jollibee, we have McDonald's. Are they not keen in buying that?
Well, to be honest, of course, we've tried to tap their doors already, knock on their doors. I think they just haven't been quite responsive. I'm not sure if it's because
They have not been responsive or they have not been quite responsible in protecting the earth.
they haven't been
Bumira ka naman
responsive
ng
to
konti.
us.
Baka mag-avail kung
Pag may nakakarinig, mag-avail yan.
mag-avail na.
Kasi ang iniisip lang nila yung tubo nila eh. So, kunyari, one of the chain of food chain, bibili sa inyo, di sabihin natin sa ating mga kababayan, ito yung tangkilikin ninyo because they are responsible in protecting the earth.
The earth.
Diba? Yung mga McDonald's, yung mga Jollibee, they are not responsible people.
Ngayon.
They don't want to protect, they just want to think about their pockets.
As of the moment.
Ako, bumira ko. No?
Naku. Kaya nililinaw natin ngayon. Pero pag nag-avail sila, responsible na sila. Ayan. So, yung mga, kasi di ba po ang mga plastic, lalo na yung mga containers, kapag plastic, washable siya. Ito po, mga ilang, ano po yung itatagal niya.
Pag winas mo yan, wala, wasak na
Kaya
yan.
nga kung
Ikaw naman.
wala na talaga.
Well, of course, admittedly, it's not reusable, unlike the plastic containers, right? However, we know and we see na madami talagang walang time para hugasin lahat ng plastic take-out containers na
At saka
nakukuha
one use
nila.
lang yan. One use. Even
One
the
use
plastic,
lang.
one use. Hindi mo naman pwedeng hugasan. Pupunta ka ulit sa Jollibee or McDonald's.
Doon mo ilagay.
So that's a throwaway thing.
Pwedeng gamitin sa bahay, 'di ba?
lagay
Syempre,
ng isda.
pero admittedly,
May plato
hindi
kami
naman
sa bahay.
pang leftover, sir. But yes, I know what you mean, definitely. Kaya we want to be able to promote our products talaga to all the hotels and restaurants and
Yes.
cafes because definitely it's good. It's not bad to
Okay,
put back into
like for
our-
example, in Pasig, bawal na yung plastic eh.
And Marikina.
Why don't you go there and tap that kind of market?
So actually, before the pandemic, we did some partnerships and collaborations with the Pasig government already. We're definitely going to be knocking on their doors again soon, but there are a lot of doors we've been knocking on, like the La Union government, also the Makati government, and all these other municipalities that are trying to lessen their plastic footprint. So we're a very small company lang kasi, sir, but little by little we hope to really form all these solid partnerships with cities like Pasig.
I'll try to make some arrangements, no? But kasi this is not just business. This is actually an advocacy. To help protect the earth. Maybe we start here in our small way and probably educate the whole world na dapat ganito na. And then we can be assured that in the future yung mga anak mo, yung mga
Diyan ka
apo
lang.
mo will be protected. Di ba?
Yes, go. Dapat ganito talaga.
And all the beautiful beaches and mountains of the Philippines that everyone enjoys now kasi there's a travel boom, di ba?
Yes,
Parang they
totoo.
don't realize na how can we maintain that beauty of our country, di ba?
I think you have to change your style of marketing. Do not sell it as a product. Sell it as an advocacy.
We've been doing
Help
that na rin,
us protect the world. Diba?
Actually, in line with what you're saying, sir, we actually have partnerships like with SOS, yung food feeding NGO, no? So, like what you said, if the companies don't want to buy our products, let's say, for example, for their own food deliveries or what, they can use their CSR funds to buy products from us for the SOS efforts of their feeding efforts. So, pwedeng ganun rin, di ba? Oo.
Or probably we have to improve our product then. Like for example that food
Ito po ba?
yun.
The food, the
Tray.
bento box, sir.
Bento box.
Bento box. Alam mo tong bento box, before you put it in the mold, idaan mo muna sa waxing machine. Pagdaan yan ng waxing machine, waterproof na yan. So kahit anong liquid ilalagay mo, hindi mag-absorb. That's the time na i-press mo.
Kahit oil.
May mga dye ito eh. Mahal pa naman ng mga dye. So,
Actually, we
saka mo
don't use
ipipress
any
yan.
dye kasi we want it to be as eco-friendly as possible.
No. Yung mold. Ang tawag niyan, dye mold. So, pag-press mo niyan, magiging ganito yung
Ganyan.
tsura. But what I'm saying is, before doing that, idaan mo yan sa mga tawag nito, waxing machine. May mga food grade kasi na wax eh.
Pwede.
Ito yung mga natural wax like beeswax. From the tree like carnauba wax, di ba? Or you can combine carnauba with beeswax. Pero may mga waxes din kasi na galing sa fossil fuel, paraffin wax, hindi po pwede yan. These are not food grade. So, isuggest ko lang, no? Para nang sa ganon ay hindi ito kasi absorbent ito eh. So, pag nilagyan mo ng kanin, walang problema.
Oil.
Lagyan mo ng fried chicken, walang problema. Pag nilagyan mo ng
Sabaw.
spaghetti, that's another story.
Kaya naman, sir. Actually, we have a lot of clients already who use this as their plates mismo, especially yung the other designs here, no? Like
maraming
this
design.
one. Oo, yes. So, parang kahit na may sauce na yung mechado or adobo, pwede naman, sir. Nag-hold naman. Oo.
Yan kung kakainin mo kagad.
Well, that is true.
Yung iba kasi take home. So kung may mechado
But
yan.
actually, you can microwave food in that. You can,
That is true because hindi naman yan sensitive sa heat. Unless it's already fire na yan, masusunog yan. But what I'm saying, yung wax na yan will not make that particular thing absorbent. So, talagang makakasiguro ka na hindi mag-absorb.
Beeswax.
Well, additional cost siguro, iniiwasan.
Bali po din sa pagbili nila ng plastic, meron po bang minimum, maximum order?
Actually, for mga homeowners na talagang they just want to switch to cassava bags, you can visit our EcoNest platform sa Shopee and Lazada. Tapos pwede kayong bumili doon ng packs of 100. No? Pero for mga businesses talaga na talagang interested to use this for their operations and marketing, they can get in touch with me directly at hello@ecopackaging.com hello@ecopackaging.com. And we can talk about how we can produce for them, no? But the minimums, of course, we're talking about thousands already, but not so big naman.
May mga distributors na ba kayo?
Currently, we have an active distributor in Siargao, an active distributor in Palawan, and we're still actively looking for more distributors to really touch Cebu, Davao, Negros, and all
It would
that.
appeal to Siargao because Siargao is a tourist destination.
Yes.
And they don't want to pollute Siargao.
Yes.
Boracay would be another good place.
We're still looking for a very strong partner
So
in
that
Boracay at the moment.
talagang
Although we have clients in Boracay.
maprotektahan yung Boracay. But anyway, we'd like to listen to our viewers and listeners.
Yes.
Ang dami ng mga comments.
Comment si Hatid Daniel Draswa Pasha Jr.
Yes, good morning, Kong Butch and Binibining Joanna, galing kay Regine Betty, Monet Ortiz, Liberata Martin Bautista, Reselin Benavides, Chona Balbuena, Joy Montero, Roger Cape, Samuel Ortiz, and Azitro Monet. Ayan. Sabi ni Warley Roberto, good morning Pro Pinoy, lalong-lalo na sa napakagaling natin kong Butch Areza Pichay. Ma'am Joanna, sa Pro Pinoy, ang dami kang matututunan at kaalaman sa pagdating sa pagnegosyo at iba talaga. Ang Pinoy, ang talino pagdating sa discarding negosyo. Ayan. Jane Lamigo, magandang umaga, Pro Pinoy. Marami na naman tayong matutunan dito tungkol sa pagnenegosyo. Jessa Berghera, kay gandang negosyo naman yan. Ayan. Eugene Eustacio, masarap yung everything but cheese. Nasa SM na sila. Oy, sinabi ni Sir Alex din yan. Paris Adoral, perfect na pangangalaga sa kalikasan. Ayan. Alice Gonzalez, sana'y marami ka pang matulungan, sir. Go lang po kayo. Sana'y marami ka pang matulungan. Go lang po kayo. It's good advocacy. Ang galing-galing ng JCI. Redmond Pangapalmea, hindi pa madaling masira ang kasaba plastic bag. Parang ang nipis. Ilang kilo ang kayang isupport niyan?
Can you answer that?
Okay, yes, of course. So, actually, if you're able to touch a sample, hindi siya masyadong manipis, no?
Mabigat
So,
nga eh.
oo. So, Congressman, baka pwede niyong ipag-sample para makita ng viewers na hindi siya manipis. So, as mentioned earlier, no, depending sa size ng mga bags, it can carry up to 2.5 kilograms or 5 to 8 kilograms if it's a bigger size. Oh, yes. Pero actually, hindi siya talaga manipis. So, you can try to siguro, or maybe I'll do it. I can show. Ayan. So, syempre, we have some plastic that's manipis also, diba? There are different kinds of plastic. But the cassava bag is actually quite strong. Oh, yeah.
Ayan. Okay. Ayan, sabi naman ni Abril Cortaga, pwedeng-pwede yan pang palengke. Ano naman ang kaibahan yan sa eco bag? Mas matibay po ba o mas mura? And saan na po available yan?
Oo. So as mentioned earlier, para sa mga homeowners na gustong bumili for their everyday use, you can visit EcoNest. Hanapin lang yung EcoNest sa Shopee and Lazada. Pwedeng bumili ng packs of 100. Nag-range siya from 600 to 1,000 pesos for 100 pieces. Now, sa question naman kung mas matibay siya compared sa eco bag. So, depende sa anong eco bag yung pinag-uusapan. Are we talking about yung tela, yung nylon or what? So, syempre, iba-ibang characteristics yan, no? And, syempre, reusable yung tela na bag. So, it's really up to you kung what works for you. Kasi those are all good options naman for the environment. We're not saying na kami lang yung only option, di ba? Actually, our company is here to really educate people about just trying to lessen your plastic footprint in general. And we are one of the options na pwede nyong i-try.
Okay, ayan. J. Benavides, tamang-tama ito sa mga school kasi ang daming plastic sa mga eskwelahan na nagiging basura. Natuturuan pa ang mga estudyante na maging eco-warrior. Ayan, back to Studio 2, Kong Butch and Binibining Joanna.
Yun. Marami rin pong interested, pero syempre, yung concerns nila, inquiries nila, lagi nyo naman na po yung na-encounter for sure.
Yes.
Sa 5 years po, ilan po yung consistent talaga na kumukuha na sa inyo?
Definitely talaga, yung mga hotels, restaurants, and cafes na talagang nakita nila yung value of using yung mga biodegradable and home compostable products ng EcoNest and Ako Packaging. Kasi syempre, yung mga hotels, restaurants, and cafes, yung mismong clients nila talagang, you know, natutuwa na meron silang option na sustainable. So, like I mentioned earlier, talagang the HoReCa industry, the hotel, restaurant, cafe industry has been very supportive with our products. But we're also hoping to really penetrate yung mga ibang industries, di ba, Congressman?
Well, let's hope that all the businesses are responsible businesses. Ibig sabihin, let's hope that one day they're going to wake up at sabihin nila, teka, hindi produkto ang binibili natin dito, kung hindi yung kalikasan ng kinabukasan ng ating mga anak. We are investing. We are not buying. We are investing. So, I hope one day they will wake up as responsible people.
Yes.
We all hope so. Yes, Congressman.
Ayan, para ibigay ang pwedeng manalo sa ating Hulaan Mo ang Kapital Ko, nagbabalik Andres Bonifacio Jr.
Yes, Joanna, from more than 900 viewers for this Monday morning, ang ating lucky caller ay manggagaling sa Alangilan, Bacolod City. Uy!
Wow.
Bacolod.
Good
May
morning,
ganun pala.
J-Lord.
J-Lord Benavides!
Nabutol.
Louis.
Nabutol. J-Lord, kailangan na magbigay ka ng hula mo.
Naputol. Tatawagan daw
Bibigyan
po muna.
kita ng tip.
Aha. Ayan. Ma'am, pero bago natin tawagan si J-Lord. Sige po, inom po muna kayo. Ayan. Pwede niyo po ba silang i-enlighten pa kung ano yung makukuha nilang benefits kapag ito yung tinangkilik nilang produkto at syempre yung inspirasyon pwede po nilang mapulot sa inyo?
Well, definitely, yun nga, like what Congressman said, if you support yung mga products namin, you're not just helping us, but of course, you're helping our environment, di ba? Parang advocacy na talaga nyo to buy eco-friendly products. I have to cough again.
Okay. Okay lang. Okay lang. That means na talagang hindi taping itong ating
Live
show na
tayo.
ito. Ibig sabihin live na live kasi
Live.
pati yung ubo mo nakukuha sa radio.
But of course, Congressman, di ba, once we reach the point na kami na rin yung nagproduce ng cassava resin dito sa Philippines, at the whole process is done talaga here in the Philippines, the more that they support yung cassava bags namin, that means that they're also supporting the cassava farmers in the Philippines.
Totoo yan. And the corn farmers.
Correct.
Okay, eto na, J-Lord Benavides, nakaani ka na ba ng kamote dyan sa Bacolod City?
Wala pa rin? Wala pa rin daw.
J-Lord,
Nako,
sayang.
J-Lord, Bacolod na Bacolod City yan. Yung signal, masama.
Ay, sayang
Diba?
naman.
So kung hindi natin ma-reestablish yung yung communication,
Linya.
Okay,
pwede
bukas na to, Sir
lang.
Kong. Opo.
Kasi biruin mo, ang bilis ng oras. Interesting kasi yung topic, dalawa eh.
Oo, dalawa.
Yung
Everything but cheese,
biodegradable
CGI.
cassava bags. And then of course itong mga paper cups, paper packaging.
Oo.
Ang daming maganda. Itong straw pa nga. Oh. Ito galing sa coffee. Kaya pag talagang ginamit mo ito, kahit ang iniinom mo ay juice, coffee pa rin yung lasa.
Kasi coffee beans. Ayan. So, bale, Econas PH Company at Ako Packaging po. Magkahiwalay po ba yan ng website, ng Facebook page?
Actually, oo. If hiwalay sila. So, you can just Google Econest PH and Ako Packaging. Tapos makikita na yung aming mga Facebook, Instagram pages. Tapos for Econest, makikita na rin yung Lazada and Shopee pages. Pero magkapareho lang yung owners. So, the owners are just a young married couple, Nikki and Joshua, na talagang their goal is really just to help the environment, give back to farmers, and really contribute to this circular economy that we're visioning.
Meron akong suggestion, packaging kasi ng mga vegetables, ang ginagamit nila is styrofoam,
Yes ko.
which is not biodegradable also. So, baka pwede kayo mag-design, like for example, yung mga green leafy vegetables, nilalagay yan sa styrofoam or kaya yung mga, tawag nito, mga radish at saka yung carrots. So, baka pwede kayong gumawa dahil one of my advocacy is to promote farming. Galing pa to sa Mindanao. O pag transport dito, naka-packaging na. I-deliver mo na lang sa mga restaurants. So pag-aralan nyo, using paper.
Yeah, something to do in the future.
Ayan.
Mike po. Ayan. Ayan.
So, I guess marami na silang natutunan ngayong araw na ito.
Yes.
Nag-i-exist na nga pala itong cassava bag.
Biobags.
Biobags. Na kung wala na kayong makakain, pwede mo na rin kainin yan.
Kainin.
Dahil food grade yan eh. I know the raw materials are food grade. So,
Ay.
pwede mo na rin kainin. Oh.
Safe ba yun? Ayan. Maraming salamat po sa Econas PH Company at Ako Packaging. Siyempre, with Miss Tina, pinapatapos
It's
na
okay.
tayo. Ayan. Naiinip. Naway nakapaghatid kaalaman at inspirasyon ng kwentong hatid ng Econas and Ako Packaging ni Miss Christina Baron o ng nila Miss Tina. Bukas tuloy-tuloy pa rin tayo sa ating Stories of Nego Success. Dahil let's be fashionable this summer season kasama ang Shirts Avenue. Ako pong muli si Joanna Luna, ang inyong kabalitaan sa mga pinakabagong pwede ninyong pagkakitaan. Have a safe Monday morning, Barangay Radyo 1.
Ako naman si Congressman Butch Pichay. Di kami titigil sa pagsuyod sa buong mundo ng mga kwentong kapupulutan ninyo ng inspirasyon, tips at teknik sa pagnenegosyo. Lagi ninyo kaming samahan, Lunes hanggang Biyernes from 9 to 10:30 in the morning, exclusive sa Radyo 1. Dito, Pinoy ang angat. Dito, Pinoy ang sikat dahil tayong lahat ay
Pro Pinoy!